So, my dear good morning students, here I have brought part 3, chapter 12, Heron's formula, application based questions, class 9. So, let's see the first question. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is given 32 centimeter. So here we are been given with the two sides 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and perimeter is given to us. So can we find the third missing side? Yes. So let's find out. So perimeter is equals to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So perimeter is equals to 32 is equals to 8 plus 11 plus side 3. So 32 is equals to 19 plus side 3. So 19 will come here. So 32 minus 19 is equals to side 3. So if I'll subtract, I'll get the answer, which is side 3 is 13. 32 minus 19. 32 minus 19, that comes 13. So side 3 is 13 centimeter. Now you know that we have got all three sides. A is equals to 8, B is equals to 11, C is equals to 13. All three units are centimeter. Okay. So we will find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. So 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 2. So the 32 divided by 2. So your semi-perimeter is 16 centimeter. Now I will have the Heron's formula, which is under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So my semi-perimeter is 16. 16 minus 8 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 13. So 16 into 16 minus 8, which is 8. 16 minus 11, which is 5. And 16 minus 13, which is 3. So we will try to figure out if there are any squares, perfect squares in them. So 16 is a perfect square of 4. 8, that is 4 twos are into 5 into 3. Now this 3 do not have any perfect square. They do not make any perfect square. But 16 and 4, they have the perfect square, which is 16 is a perfect square of 4 and 4 has the perfect square of 2. So 4 twos are 8 and 5 twos are 10 into 3, which is 30, which is under root 30. So your answer is 4 twos are 8 under root 30 centimeter square. So this is the area for given triangle. Pause. Now we will see one more example, which is Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of rhombus. You know what is rhombus? The rhombus will always have 4 equal sides. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce the different crops. So she divided the land in 2 equal parts. If the perimeter of the land, now you know perimeter is the sum of all 4 sides, is 400 meter and one diagonal is 160 meter. So diagonal is 160 meter. How much area each of them will get for their crops? So here you can see I have drawn one figure, which is ABCD, that is the piece of land, and I have shown the diagonal here, which is BD, which is 160 meter. Now she wants to divide this piece of land in 2 equal parts. So let's find the area of one triangle. So we will get the area that will be received by each of the child. Now let A, B, C, D be the field of the Sania. Now perimeter is 400 meter, and as you know the rhombus has equal side, so each side measure 400 divided by 4, which is 100 meter, and diagonal is given 160 meter. So let's find the area of triangle ABD. So you can see the side 1 which is 100, side 2 which is 100 meter, and side C, that is the third side which act as a diagonal, is 160 meter. Let's find out the semi perimeter first. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 100 plus 100 plus 160 divided upon 2, which is 100 plus 100, 200, 360 divided upon 2. So your semi perimeter becomes 180 meter if I divide this by 2. Now you know the Heron's formula, which is area of the given triangle, which will be under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So your S value is 180 into 180 minus A, which is 100, into 180 minus B, which is also 100, into 180 minus 160. So under root of 180 into 80 into 80 into 20. Now we will try to figure out if they are the perfect square of anything. Yes? Yes. So 180 into 80 into 80 into 20. So 180, that is 90 twos are. Though I will write 90, that is 9 into 10 twos are. That becomes 180. Now 80, that is 8 into 10. Again 80, which is 8 into 10, and 20, which is 2 into 10. You can figure it out. 9 is a perfect square of 3. Here 10 and into 10, which is 100, which is a perfect square of 100 is a perfect square of 10. This is also one pair. This one is also one pair, and these two are also one pair. So I get all the perfect square. So 9 is a perfect square of 3, 10 one time, 10 one more time, and 2 one more time, and into 8. So I had made the pairs. You can see here. 8 2 times. So I will write only once. 9, that means 3 into 3. I will write only once. 10 4 times. So I will write 2 times. And 2 2 times. So I will write 1 time. Now let's just multiply all of them together, which becomes 3 2s are 6. 6 8s are 48 into 100, which is 4800 meter square. So each children will get the area of 4800 meter square. I hope you have understood this. Okay. So let's see the third example, which is also an application based question. The sides of the triangle are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meters. Find its area. So now you know that whenever sides are given in the ratio, we will assume as this: A is to B is to C, which is 3:5:7. I will assume them as x. So A is equals to 3x, B is equals to 5x, and C is equals to 7x. Now perimeter is given to you, which is 300 meter. So A plus B plus C is equals to 300 meter. So value of A is 3x. Value of B is 5x. Value of C is 7x is equals to 300 meter. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15x is equals to 300 meter. So x is equals to 15 goes with the division. It goes in the denominator. 15 ones are, 15 twos are. So answer is 20. So value of x is equals to 20. So I will substitute the value here. So A becomes 60. 5 into 20. Here 3 into 20, 60. 5 into 20. So your B becomes 100 meter. And your C becomes 7 into 20. So your C becomes 140 meter. So similar method we will apply. First I will find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is 60, B is 100 and C is 140 divided upon 2. So 60 plus 140, 200 plus 100, which is 300 divided upon 2. Already perimeter was given to us. So you can verify your answer is correct. So your semi-perimeter is 150. Correct? Yes. So now let's apply the formula. That is the formula of area is under root. This is the Heron's formula. Now by this time you should learn this formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So the value of S I will substitute 150. 150 minus A, which is 60. 150 minus B, which is 100. And 150 minus 140. So 150. Now 150 minus 60. The answer will be 90. 150 minus 100, answer will be 50. And 150 minus 140, so answer is 10. Now let's try to take their squares. So here 9 is a perfect square. So 9 into 10, and this 10 I will write here. So it becomes a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square of 3. Now 50 and this is 150. So shall I write that 150 as a 50 threes are? Correct? And this 50 here. 50 threes are and into 50. So you can see these are in the pairs. So who left alone? Only 3. So 9 is a perfect square of 3. 10 into 10, 10 square. So into 10. 50 2 times. So I will write only one time here. And under root of 3. So 5 threes are 15 into 100, which is, so answer is 1500 under root of 3 meter square. So I hope you have understood the method. So this were the examples based on the practical applications of Heron's formula. Thank you.